Hey guys, we are going to be burping.
1 second.
Andrew said inhale, and then just.
Good job.
Yeah.
Okay, wait. 1 second. Do a burping contest.
Christopher, can you be quiet?
Do a burping contest. That's a baby bear. Ew! I feel small.
And this is burp today.
Oh, what? It makes me so happy when you see that. It makes you burp. Ooh!
He was like,
Gum.
no.
Oh, look this. I was like farting with my noses. My nose piece.
No! No!
Doesn't make. It tastes like. That tastes like beer. Coke Zero tastes like beer. We can't even drink it at all. Woo! Do the loudest burps as you can. So we gotta drink your soda like a long, long time. Daniela's the winner that did the biggest burp. Is the winner. Let's see. Krystel, you want to get the pee on your shoe? Oh. Oh, these are really good. These are really, really, really good. Only 99 cents. I'll get an extra sugar. I'm good. They're good. The cheesy ones are much good.
Chris, we're trying to do a burping contest
Yeah.
here.
These are awesome. Go, Krystel. Go, Krystel. Go, Krystel. Woohoo! Good job. My turn.
What are you doing? Why are you holding your nose? That's
It hurts my nose. Guys, if you want to do the loudest burp, you gotta drink a lot of soda. Hold your nose to save your burps. Krystel.
Okay, here's my last sip.
Okay, me too. She goes first, and then I go last.
Wait. Okay.
My last
No,
one.
seriously, look, no more. There you go.
Yay, thank you.
But now, okay.
Cheers.
Oh, even though there's nothing in.
Cheers. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay, so who do you think won the burping contest?
Yeah.
Me, Krystel, or Daniela?
Me, Daniela. All right.
Okay, no, I'm Krystel,
I'm Daniela.
and she's Daniela. So post in the comments if you vote for me. I put Krystel, Krystel,
Or
and for
Daniela.
her, any way you want to spell it.
Just put like Daniela. Just put Daniela G. That's all. Okay.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.